Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a super classy dress on Dress to Impress. So first we're going to use the off-shoulder top, and you can color it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to color red for mine, and I think I'm going to add silk to it. Then I'm going to use this dress here, and I'm going to color it again red, and I'm going to add the silk pattern on it. You can use any material, that you want. Lastly, we're going to be using this skirt again in silk, and then I'm going to color it red. Then we're just going to toggle it to the white pattern. Material. I keep saying pattern for some reasons. Oh my god, my voice just went super high there. Then for the shoes, I'm just going to be using this one in red and like black. Or should I just do red? I'm gonna just do red. There, I'll do something like that. And to accessorize, you can use pretty much any accessories that you would like to. I'll just pair it with, what are these earrings? Oh, maybe not. Maybe these earrings look kind of cool actually. Obviously I'm going to color it like differently. Maybe like all black. I don't know, it's totally up to you. Oh, maybe these ones in like a gold maybe, or silver. I don't really know how to pair colors sometimes, so I'm sorry. Maybe gold looks actually not that bad. Pair it with a purse as well. Oh, actually I'm gonna do one from here. You don't have to, but I really want to use it. I haven't used this at all. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.